Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I am making a video of this 52-inch Emerson something ceiling fan in white and brass finish, and I have a special guest here today with Noah Bones.
Hi!
There he is. This Emerson I got at the Habitat Restore sometime last year. And yeah, we'll start with the light. And I'm using these Walmart junk light bulbs, I mean. And here's low. So Noah, what do you think about this fan?
What?
I said, what do you think about this fan?
It's cool.
Yeah,
I mean, it's an Emerson, so if it is a builder, it's slightly better, so.
Oh yeah. Yeah, when I brought this fan home when I got at the Restore, my grandparents absolutely loved it, especially the globe. So I'm like, all right, well, when I retire, I'll keep this fan around. So whatever. And this fan does wobble because I had it resting on a crate for a while. So here's the light. Oh, Noah, did you make a video of that hugger in your room yet?
Yeah, but I didn't have the light kit on it when I did it, so. I put the light kit on it.
Yeah, I like the light kit on it too. My grandparents absolutely loved it. And we'll go ahead and do the 3 speeds on reverse. There's the light again. It blows good air.
It looks like it's almost the vents.
It looks like a what?
Northwind?
North. Oh yeah, I think it is an Emerson Northwind.
I said a Northwind.
Oh. Yeah, we'll figure it out what this fan is. Somebody in the comments.
I don't know if anybody's curious, but Reese is coming over to my house today again. I don't know if I'm filming any videos, but.
Oh, Reese is going to your house today. Oh, that's cool.
Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll try and charge this phone. Just record with it.
Wait, you guys live in the same state, don't you?
No, Reese lives in Wisconsin. I live in Illinois.
Man, this fan is much wobbler on reverse than forward.
Hello? Hello.
Hi. So yeah, it's just Noah today, guys.
Losing it, Eli. Why do I have a damn second to this?
And this fan does have bearing noises. It's not terrible like this hugger that we filmed. Now that had some bearing noise. There's the light again, and then we'll do spin down. Alright, here is spin down. Hi viewers, today this is a Hampton Bay.
I did. The vacuum is done for. I think the vacuum is done. Because when I turned it on earlier, it was like shorting on and off. It still works. I got it to work, but it's weird. Our vacuum is on the fritz.
So, Noah, is this a builder fan or?
If it's a Northwind, it's not. But wait, what brackets does it have?
What brackets? It's the smiley face brackets.
Oh, standard like cat eye brackets.
Yeah, something like that. My grandma, before she moved to another state, in one of the rooms was a Emerson Hugger ceiling fan.
Oh, sweet.
Oh yeah, that fan flew, bro. That fan flew a lot of air on high. It's probably like a 44-inch type thing. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.